Hi everyone, this is Anna Hajizadeh. In previous videos, I talked about a miraculous writing package that can increase your writing score. But before introducing the package, you have to be aware of some crucial points. In video number 1 to 5, I talked about different types of IELTS writing assessment criteria. In this video, I want to talk about a very important step before answering any IELTS writing task too. We all are familiar with the IELTS instructor's famous phrase, analyze the task before you start the writing. In this video, I want to tell you what exactly it means by analyzing the task. Before we start, it's very important to know different parts of the task. So let's have a quick review of different sections of a task. If you remember, any IELTS writing task 2 includes of two parts: statement, question task. Statement. The first part of any IELTS writing task 2 is called the statement, which includes two main factors: main idea and controlling idea words. Question task. The second part of any IELTS writing task 2 is called the question task, which is the distinguishable part among all IELTS writing task 2 types. That's because any type of task 2 needs a different design to respond. In video number 7 to 11, I'll talk about task types. Now that you're familiar with different parts of a task, it's time to learn how to analyze a task. In order to analyze a task, we have to do 3 steps. Step 1 and 2 are done in the first part of the task, in the statement section, and the third part is done in the second part of the task, question task. The first step in task analysis is called extracting the main idea. The second step in task analysis is extracting controlling idea words. The third step in task analysis is called extracting instructional words or action words. Main idea. To find the main idea in an IELTS writing task 2, you have to underline the keywords. Keywords help you to extract the main idea. Remember that knowing the main idea is extremely important for higher band score in task response and cohesion and coherence. Imagine the task asks you to write about society, but you write about technology. This is a common misunderstanding and decreases your score. Controlling idea words. Controlling idea words help us to write about the correct aspects of the topic. Let me give you an example. Candidate is supposed to write about the approaches to study English, but the problem is that one candidate has written about the importance of learning English language. In this example, the wrong controlling idea word is importance. So you have to carefully study the task statement and underline keywords to find the main idea and controlling idea words. Instructional words. Instructional words are located in the second part of the task, which is called question task. They tell us what exactly to do. Some of the instructional words can be: do you agree or disagree? What's your opinion? Discuss both views and give your own opinion. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages. Do the advantages outweigh the disadvantages? Theoretically, we know what do we mean by analyzing a task. Now, let's review 3 examples where candidates have made a mistake. The first example is candidates' wrong understanding of the main idea. Let's read the task together. Some people think space travel is important for the development of humanity, while other people believe that it is a waste of money. Discuss both views and give your own opinion. Let's underline the keywords to find the main idea of the task: space travel. So the main idea is space travel. Now let's find controlling idea words. Development of humanity. So controlling idea words are development of humanity. Look at the candidate's first sentence response. A great majority of people believe that more money should be devoted to the development of science for citizens. Well, as you can see, here the candidate has written about science and its general meaning, while the question asks about one of the subcategories of science, which is space travel. The second example is candidate's misunderstanding of controlling idea words. Now let's take a look at another example. Some teachers believe that group activities can improve children's mental abilities. Do you agree or disagree? As usual, let's underline the keyword to extract the main idea. Main idea is group activities. Now let's find controlling idea words and understand which aspects of the group activities we need to write about. So controlling idea words are group activities can improve children's mental ability. Now let's take a look at some parts of the candidate response. School trainers claim that it is challenging to administer group activities, which can help the development of children's mental skills. Well, as you can see, here the candidate has wrongly written about the potential problems in assigning and administering group activities for children, while the question asks candidates to write about the possible effect of group activities on children's mental activities. Here the candidate has no clear and related understanding of controlling idea words. The candidate has talked about the problems of encouraging children to be interested in group activities. The candidate should have written about the possibility of improving children's mental ability through group activities. The third example is candidate's misinterpretation of instructional words or action words. Some people keep pets in their houses, while others have a negative attitude to having animals in their houses. Do you think the advantages of taking care of a pet outweigh the disadvantages? Now, let's take a look at some parts of the candidate's response. Some citizens live with their animals in their houses, while others find it absolutely impossible. This essay will discuss the pros and cons of having a pet. Well, as you can see in this response, the candidate has completely ignored the outweigh part of the question and intends to simply write about the positive and negative aspects of having a pet. The word outweigh means the candidate should clearly mention whether the advantages or disadvantages of having a pet are more significant. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one. Understanding IELTS WAC can help you to increase your score. Another factor in getting a high score in writing is a proper understanding of the writing task 2, task analysis. That is extracting the main idea, controlling idea words, and the instructional words.